Hi everyone. Hey, when I was in Michael's, I filmed a new yarn from Lion Brand, but realized after uploading I'd accidentally left it out. So I had to pop back on and show you that 70s yarn, wacky and wild, based on the shag rug of the 70s that it resembles. It's a number 6 super duper bulky, calling for a 19mm S hook. 90% acrylic, 10 cashmere. Don't let the latter fool you because to me it did have a carpet-like ish texture, and that center strand the fibers are attached to felt rough and even somewhat sharp. The regular price is $7.99 for a 3.5 ounce 100-gram skein with only 38 yards per. You know, it is a funny kind of a novelty idea with catchy retro names like Groovy, Good Vibes, Ride On, Funky, and the colors are really fun and lively, and you even have some soft and subtle ones. And to the right now, here they show a scarf and a vest, but to me, other than a shag rug, pillow covers, or maybe a faux fur alternative, I don't get the overall appeal. But keeping that in mind, shag rugs are making a comeback and I don't get that either. I personally don't see it sticking around long, even though it cracked me up when I first saw it. However, I do give lots of credit for creativity with the colorful and artsy new ball bands that I'm seeing this year. And please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of this yarn. Okay, everyone, take care, and I will see you soon. And yes, that's my little rubber stamping handiwork.